In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a round trip with a stop on Uber. First, open Google Chrome and go to uber.com. Once the website loads, give it a moment to fully display the ride booking interface. You'll usually see fields where you can enter your pickup point and your destination. If you're not already signed in, the site may guide you through that first, but the main goal here is to reach the screen where you can plan your trip. Next, type your initial pickup point information into the address field. This is the place where your trip will begin, so make sure you enter it carefully and select the correct result if a list of suggestions appears. It's always a good idea to double check the address before moving on, especially if there are similar street names or multiple locations with nearly identical titles. After that, look for the small plus button located near the destination rows. This button lets you add another stop to your route. Click the plus icon and a new text box should appear. This is where you'll enter the location for your intermediate stop. This step is useful if you need to visit one place before returning, such as making a quick errand, stopping by a store, or picking something up along the way. Now type your intermediate stop destination into that new text area box. As with the pickup field, select the correct suggested address if options appear. Accuracy matters here because the route will be built around the information you enter, and a small mistake can change the trip completely. Finally, go to the last destination row field and enter your original pickup starting address again. By placing the same starting location at the end of the route, you create a loop that begins at your pickup point, stops at your intermediate destination, and then returns to where you started. This is the key step that turns the route into a round trip. Once everything is entered, review all the fields one more time to make sure the order is correct. Your trip should start at your pickup location, continue to the stop in the middle, and end back at the original address. If anything looks off, simply edit the fields before confirming the ride, and that's it. You've now set up a return trip with a stop using Uber's destination fields directly in Chrome.